Rob Tiopira ahu, te kai whakahaere o Te Manawa Tūhoe. Te Manawa Tūhoe is the larger landmass that was withdrawn from the Tūhoe Waikaramana Trust Board. And since its inception 2 years ago, it's developed into a primary business representing dairy farming, dry stock, and an array of forestry operations. Firstly, Taiarahia was a project chosen by Te Manawa Tūhoe to represent the significance of the whakapapa. And so there's been a project working with our local historians and track restoration, wilding pine eradication, and the principal driver behind that was utilising our own people to do the mahi. And currently wilding pine eradication is ongoing. We have our young rangatahi working through there, eradicating weeds and pests, and there's a fair bit of work to be done. But it's ongoing and will be a project that will grow in strength from year to year, 1 year in, 1 year to the following year. Yeah, so track restoration, educational processes, billboarding and recognition of what's going on up there, and the history.